Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good. Okay students, we started the unit number 7, machine work and machines, and today we will continue this unit. And today our topics are machines and energy. But before going to these topics, quickly go through the previous lecture point that we learned. What we learned in the previous class, we learned about the force. That force is a push or pull. We learned about the work. That work is done if an object moves by a push or pull, and if an object does not move by a push or pull, it means no work is done. Okay, now comes to the new topic. Today's topic, machines. Do you know any do you have any idea about machine, what a machine is? Yes, machine is a thing that makes our work easier. Machines help us to do many things. They help us to do any work. Some machines are small and some are big. Can you give me an example of a machine that you used before at your home or in school, anywhere? Okay, let me give you an example. You can see two pictures in your screen. What is it and what are these? This is a bottle opener and these are pencil sharpener. These are examples of small machine. How? Because without the bottle opener we cannot open the bottle easily. It's very difficult and it takes much more force than a bottle opener. This bottle opener make our work easier. And similarly is the case with the sharpener. With the pencil sharpener we easily sharpen the pencil. Without it, it's very difficult. So these small machines make our work easier. You can also see the machines that are big, washing machine and laptop. These are examples of big machines. Okay, now you can see on your screen some small machines. You are I hope you are aware of these machines because you all use these machines in daily life. This is a screwdriver. It is used to tight or loose the screw. This is a screw. It is used to hold two pieces together. This is the scissor. It is used to cut the paper and cloth. And this is the hammer. It is used for hammering. These small machines are very useful because if you want to tighten a screw without this screwdriver, it's very difficult. So these small machines help us and reduce our work and make our work easier. So these small machines help us a lot in daily life. It reduces the force to do different work. It makes our work easier. Some machines are big. Can you give me an example of a machine that are big? Yes, bulldozer, microwave oven, etc. Okay, you can see a machine on your screen. This is a sewing machine. It is an example of big machine. It helps us in stitching clothes. This is a crane. It is example of big machine. It helps us to lift very big and heavy things. If I ask you to lift the car, can you lift it? No, it's difficult to lift because it's heavy. The car is heavy. So for the heavy weight that we cannot lift that weight, this crane is used. A tractor is also example of big machine. It helps us to plow the field. Okay, students, you know that we all need food, but you know that machines also need food. Yes, some machine needs food to do work like human beings, and the food of machine is called fuel. What is the food of a machine? Fuel. Like a car needs petrol. If your car has not petrol in it, it cannot work. So a car needs petrol as a fuel. A steam engine needs coal. Okay, tell me, what food washing machine needs to work? Can anybody tell me? What food washing machine needs to work? Yes, you are right. Electricity. Without electricity, washing machine cannot work. Okay. Last, what is energy? Okay, do you know why car needs petrol or steam engine need coal? You know that petrol and coal are the fuel for these two machines. Why car need petrol and steam engine need coal? Yes, fuel gives the machine energy to do work. Okay, tell me what we need to do work. What humans need to do work? Yes, we need food. The fuel of our body is food, because food gives us energy to work and play. Without taking food, we are restless and we cannot do work properly. So we need food for getting the energy to do the work. Got it? Okay, students, till here we finished the unit number 7. But before going to the exercise work, let's have a look on the important points to be remembered. What are the important points to remember? Machine help us to do many things. The food of a machine is called fuel. The fuel of our body is food. And food gives us energy to work and play. Here we finished our unit number 7. I hope you learned all the topic of this unit. Okay, so in the next class we will start the exercise and question answers of this unit. If you have any problem, let me know. I will explain you. Okay, students, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.